Hi friends, I am Sirak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the page number on your header page on the center or on the right side corner on your document. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the page number in header corner? Just go to the insert option here. Then you can see a page number option on here and near the header and footer tab. So just click on the drop menu, and here there is here preset stage called header left. That means the header left side, header middle is header middle side, middle, and the header right. So this is the right side corner. So these are the options for header, and below it's called for footer. So here also there is two other options called header inside and header outside. So you can use this option for making the perfect thing. So if you don't want, just delete for the entire document. And I just going to insert page number and header right side. So you can see the header right side has been here. So actually it's start from 0. I just want to start from 1. So don't worry, you just have a, whenever you click the page number, you have a option in the drop menu. So just select the second drop menu called page number format. Just click here and apply to from current page and click OK. So it automatically start from 1. So you can see it's 1 2 3, and you can just resize it, and you can check this. So you can adjust the theme set here, and you can see 1 2 3 and option. And if you want to more other mode or thing like inserting the page number on the left side, you can also make it as you can see 1 2 3, and you can adjust the size also. You just need to click on this, and you can just adjust the font size of the numbering by using this particular option. And you can also have more other options like font changing and other more options. So by this option you can easily insert the page number on the right side corner or left side corner of the header. I think this video helped you a lot. If this really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.